These are the adventures of SV Prism. The crew on board are looking to experience new cultures and new landscapes as they sail their 33-foot cutter beyond horizons.
Like I said, it's 9 o'clock. We're trying to get the boat ready. There's not a lot of wind right now, so the boys are figuring out how to put the drifter on. It was a hellacious day of work today. Shannon and Sean, Shannon's brother, that you guys have not met yet, he helped us provision today. So he had a Costco card and he had a truck. They went and did provisioning while I stayed at the boat with our friend Eric, or also known as Dover if you hear that name. He stayed here with me and helped me finish the stack pack, which is behind me. And it turned out pretty darn good. We are gonna take off tonight and we're going to Catalina.
This is going to be an epic trip. We have 2 stowaways, and I have a feeling that there's going to be a lot of laughs, a lot of drinking, and a lot of eating the next week. And I'm really looking forward to it. Not only do we have food for 4 people, we have stuff for 4 people. So our garage is actually a room, and so finding space for all of our food, plus the camera equipment, plus all the tools, plus the 2 stowaways,
plus 4 surfboards.
Plus 4 surfboards. Yeah, it's
and a boogie board, and 4 sets of snorkel gear.
Yeah, snorkel gear.
And a whole dive set.
And a whole dive set. We've got a lot of stuff.
Fishing on day 1, sleep deprivation to the max, but good way to wake up. John's birthday. Hopefully catching a birthday tuna.
Birthday fish.
Oh yeah. Damn it, tuna.
Damn it, tuna.
John's birthday.
Say what, dude? We made it into Catalina. It is there's no one here right now.
There's no one here.
We've got the whole place to ourselves, basically. The water in Cat Harbor is, let's just say it's a little murky. And the water at the dinghy dock smells of dead bird.
We're going into town to get a birthday cocktail for John, because he's never had a buffalo milk. So today's his first.
What are you gonna try to do? Don't hurt yourself.
Oh gosh. Okay. That swing has been there since I was 5 years old.
I think it's one of the most amazing trips I've ever been on. Sailing all night with some fun-sized seas. I think that was incredible. Our little anchorage is killer. Got a nice little swim out of it. If we catch a marlin, maybe tomorrow or something. Maybe tonight for your birthday fish.
We are having the buffalo milk.
What is a buffalo milk? For people that don't know what buffalo milk is, sounds pretty gross if you don't know.
I have no idea what's in it.
But it's a alcoholic beverage.
It is an alcoholic beverage.
It's not actual buffalo milk or bison milk.
But it's like, I wonder if it has to do like, you know, it kind of looks like bushwhacker.
It looks a lot like a bushwhacker.
Yeah, I wonder if it is a bushwhacker. Let's go through all this.
Alright, who's next?
Oh, hold on. I'll do it, Greg.
Easy there, Fergie.
Give me a shot already.
That's aggressive.
Talking about a guy who's gonna fall off the boat and drown. I would never drown. You gotta clear the field.
Whoa, 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 where are we going with that?
That's alright.
These guys are nuts.
What? That wasn't even.
I want to vomit.
Oh,
There's nothing to really talk
Real
about.
cute, but
Oh
big
my god,
one.
look at Sean. Sean, how big is it? Sean, you're big.
It's never adult time here.
Dude, my doesn't want to work all the time.
Stage right?
I think I'm getting old.
Oh, look at the size of that thing. Yeah.
What do you guys want to see? Me and Eric owe John a birthday tuna. This is how I intend to get one. Here we go.
We're gonna keep by fishing for us.
We're here in Little Harbor. Made it in. Luckily we're the only boat here because I don't think it could fit many more.
I think Dover had more to drink on John's birthday than John did.
I'm pretty sure that's correct.
We're the only yachties, yeah. Got a camp full of girls. You know. Oh my god, Sean. Life is good. Go over there, Sean. Come now.
So the reef that once protected us in this little harbor is not doing such a great job. It's just kind of churning them up more than protecting us. It was a rough night last night where I don't think anyone else had a problem sleeping, but I was up here about every hour to check on things. There's a rock over there. And at one point of the night, we swung, and we were probably 25 feet away from the rock. There's lobster pots all throughout here, which were kind of nice to actually have because it kind of gave me a visual aid if we were moving a whole lot or not.
It's a steady drop. Awesome. Oh, look at that. What a little cannon.
Look at his heart go.
Oh, poor dude. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like our Facebook page to stay up to date with Prism news. Next time on SV Prism, we explore Avalon while we finish final preparations before we cross into Mexico. And like always, fair winds and following seas.